Ever felt your stomach growl right after you just ate? Don't scroll yet. Your stomach has a secret reflex that's messing with your head. It's called the Migrating Motor Complex, and it makes your stomach contract every 90 minutes to clean itself out. That rumble? Not always hunger. Sometimes it's a cleaning crew. And get this, even if you're not hungry, your brain still triggers the sound just to keep your gut tidy. Basically, hey, let's clean up, just in case. So next time your stomach growls, it might not be hunger, just your body doing chores. You can ignore it. Wild how your body runs on autopilot, huh? Follow for more weird body facts before your stomach starts screaming again.